The CRO token looks like it's about to blast through a key level at about 16, call it 17 cents. And there is some news that is sending this coin in particular quite a bit higher right now, besides the fact that Bitcoin's doing very well, and besides the fact that Ethereum has started to really rally lately and Bitcoin dominance is falling. There is a news event that we need to talk about in this video. Yes, another partnership announcement for crypto.com. In fact, more than one, and we need to talk about it. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Looking at the chart for CRO, just to start this video, we are coming up to, on the weekly time frame, these are weekly candles, this level right here where this kind of had a little top back in September and October of 2020, and let's put a little pin in that, by the way. There's a little bit of a bump right here. You can kind of see the same is true there, a little bit of a top right there, a little bit there. We broke through it here, came back down, a little bit of a top right there, and here we are right here. If we can break through this 16, maybe 17 cent level, we could see CRO get maybe up to the 23 cent level, or possibly even to the top of this wick back here, maybe to 26 cents. If we break through that, guys, there is a strong chance that you could see CRO rally all the way to 38 cents and get going on its way to $1. Well, what is the news? And we'll talk about some price action here in a minute, but what is the news that's driving us higher today? Well, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and look at this, guys. The president's crypto company, the Trump Media Group, filed for an amended S1 for the Truth Social Bitcoin ETF, holding Bitcoin directly with Crypto.com as a custodian. A lot of media outlets are reporting on this right now. Trump Media names Crypto.com custodian for Truth Social Bitcoin ETF. This is another big story coming out. We've already seen a variety of partnerships with the president and Crypto.com, and here's just one more way. This new revision now introduces prominent cryptocurrency exchange, Crypto.com, as the official Bitcoin custodian for this financial product. Now, we already knew that Crypto.com was going to be the custodian for the blue chip ETF, but we did not know that they were going to be the custodian 100%. There was speculation. Now it's confirmed for the Truth Social Bitcoin ETF as well. This is very significant news for Crypto.com. So when you do look over at what's moving today and you're looking at some of the top gainers, are you really surprised to see that Cronos is ranked number 3 in terms of big movers today with this news going on? No, you shouldn't be. I don't think you should. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing here's financial advice, my friends, but we've been talking a lot about Crypto.com for a variety of reasons, but the best reasons lately have been they have partnered up with the president that is putting forth a pro-crypto agenda in the United States of America. This coin's up 22% over the last 7 days, up a nice 4% today, which is less so than this pump fund token or this other coin that's pumping right now, but it is steadily climbing right now and also coming to this level of resistance. Now, whether we break through this level or we come back down, there's something that I'm always thinking of, and that's trading. I'm trading a lot in these markets on Blowfin, on Bit10X. These are the two exchanges that I like to use, and same with my partner on this channel, Blacksea. If you guys want to trade the volatility of these markets, have your holding portfolio, maybe that's one thing, and you've kind of got some trading that you want to do on, another portion of your portfolio. I use Blowfin and Bit10X. You could sign up for both of these or one of them using the links in the description down below. Please do your own research, guys. Again, nothing here is financial advice, but there are deposit bonuses when you do sign up. That being said, I'm kind of leaning bullish. This is a big story right now, and I think there is a good chance that we could see CRO break through this level, but it's important to note this is a level of resistance. Now, another story that we need to be aware of is they announced yet again another agreement with Aditxt, Frankly, I don't know a ton about this company. Let's actually open it up in a new tab and look at the official press release from Crypto.com. But this company, Crypto.com, signed an agreement for custodial crypto accounts, announces Aditxt share of access to Crypto.com as a part of the larger BitX Bio initiative. So the big deal here with this, guys, is this is another digital asset treasury that Crypto.com is going to be the custodian for, guys. Very significant to just continue to see them stepping forward and making more progress and getting more partnerships. Obviously, the presidential partnership is going to take precedent over whatever this company is, and I'm not tremendously familiar with it. It's a social innovation platform accelerating promising health innovations. This is just a company, okay, doing whatever they do in the regular world, as we're just kind of reading it, accelerating promising health innovations, that is buying crypto. So this is kind of says two things. One, everybody's buying crypto. Two, the companies that are buying crypto, I guess a lot of them are maybe potentially going to use Crypto.com as a custodian. This is very good for the company Crypto.com, and in turn, I think it's very good for the CRO token. Now, these kind of news stories, I think, can drive us to higher prices, but there is something we need to remain aware of. September is historically a bearish month. August, kind of a mixed bag. Some months are great. Some months are a little bit red. The average is plus 1% gain. Right now for Bitcoin, it's up 3%, so it's actually performing above the average, which is pretty good. And I think it's because of all these bullish crypto stories happening in the space. But I do want to come back over to this right here and show you guys that this rally right here, okay? Whoa, not there. Right here was in August, okay? And we kind of came up into an August, and we had a slip down into September, right? If we go into this run in 2021, we can see August into a slip down in September. So resist September, Crow coin comes down. September, Crow coin comes down. September, by the way, Crow coin comes down. Do you see the trend here, folks? This one is not September, Crow coin coming down. Looking at this one, there's a September where we were kind of calm right here. My point is even though there are so many fundamental reasons why Crow coin should be blasting off through this, because, Bitcoin dominance is falling, Ethereum's been pumping, everybody's talking about altcoin season, Fed rate cuts are coming. This has proven to be a pretty difficult level of resistance. So I do lean bullish because of all the news, because I think we're due for that altcoin cycle. But I also want to acknowledge the fact that September's, on average, produce red months, especially for Crow. Are we going to see that? I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below. Regardless of, the up, are we getting that altcoin blast off yet? Again, I'm continuing to trade in these markets. If you guys want to trade, check out Blowfin, check out Aditxt in the description down below. Continue to do your own research in this space, guys. I do love crypto. We'll keep reporting the crypto news for you guys. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content like this, and I will see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Until next time, guys, peace.